Hey everybody, it's Brooke with WTI. I am super careful about what I put on my skin, and I figured that when I had my baby, obviously it's even more important to be careful about what I put on his skin. What I found was this Attitude 2-in-1 shampoo and body wash for baby, and it has been so good. He's had some dry skin issues and a bit of eczema, and I love that this formula is hypoallergenic, so I know it's not going to make it any worse, and it's really gentle on his skin. One of my favorite things about this is that it's EWG Verified, so they rigorously choose their ingredients so that it's according to those standards, which is amazing because those standards are really high, so that's something you want for sure for your baby. I love all the certifications that this baby wash has, and that it doesn't irritate his skin, and that it's an awesome large size, so you're not going to run out quickly, and you're going to love it too. But that's just my point of view.